Right now, the Forex sentiment score has spiked to plus 0.057, marking a noteworthy deviation from our historical baseline. This indicates a stronger bullish sentiment than we've seen recently. Coupled with a momentum of plus 0.228 over the past 24 hours, you're looking at a significant uptick in optimism, which could signal a shift in trading strategies. Our API returns detailed sentiment insights across various semantic clusters, giving you a granular view of market sentiment. For instance, you could use this data to trigger automated trading algorithms that capitalize on sudden shifts in sentiment, enhancing your response time to market changes. If you want to dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this insight together.